Hello, neighbor. I wanted to share with you 2 photo walks today. One, where I went to a train yard early in the morning and took photos with my 16 to 35 millimeter f4, and one where I went to under a bridge next to a marina with my new 50 millimeter f2.5. I do hope your enjoyment is immeasurable. Here's the train yard. Well, I start next to it. Good morning. This is our first spot for today. I thought it was a nice view. Maybe like put the smokestacks on one side and the road on the other. It's a vibe. A second ago there was a plane flying by and it went right through the middle there, but my camera was not ready. I timed this really well. The sun is just now coming up. It is 6:26. My watch is at 18% battery life, if you guys were wondering. It is brightening up fast. Very nice. Thank you, Spot. I shall move along. Okay, now I'm attempting to find a footbridge, which I think is right in front of me. Ah, there we go. Let's see if this gives me a view. Not shoe. It's early. I need more caffeine. Not sure what this view will be worth, but we will try it. A little bit of elevation never hurts anything. He moved a little bit. Progress is progress. Oh, we have a train yard worker doing his duties. He went behind the train. Struggling to find a subject. Oh, cool. Oh my goodness. It's almost... Wow. It's almost like he's moving it with his mind. Nice. There we go. Oh, they're just moving it to another track, I think. Or maybe not. Either way, it's fun. Wow. Lots of noises. Oh, now we're going the other way. Oh, train yards are fun. Let's see, anything over here? Just more neighborhood angles. Okay, I think I'm gonna move along. Yeah, I like this. This complex is very interesting here. Ooh, it's like I could get the train yard in there. It's pretty wide. Seven. Okay, first time there. Interesting findings. Now here we are at the bridge. I'm taking photos with my new Sony 50mm f2.5, which my wife got me for my birthday. Thank you, wife. I'll probably do a review on it at some point, but for now, I'm just learning it and enjoying it. Won't you learn and enjoy it with me, neighbor? Nice. Oh, the focus is so fast. Nice light. Let's go over here. Let's see if we can get our motorcycle friend in there. There we go. That's a nice addition. I don't mind it. Very nice. I wanted to get on the bridge, but it's because it's a beautiful view from up there. But there's no sidewalk on the bridge. It's it's a highway. So it's, you know, not the safest endeavor, but I can work with this. I have my burst on low today, so no machine gun noises yet. Alright, Mr. Boatman there. Beautiful. I love this strip of green and then the trees on the other side. That's beautiful. Okay, so where am I gonna put this blue boat? It's a nice blue boat. I wonder if I can go vertical. Very nice. Cool. So I'm not all the way open at 2.5 right now because there's not really a need for it. All right, let's walk over here. What fun awaits us? I love a marina. I also love a marina with a bridge next to it. Oh, look, that's what is there. This grass is very interesting, so maybe I do one where I point it down, accentuate that a little bit. The light on the bridge is quite nice. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, doing well. Beautiful day.
Oh yeah. Beautiful day.
Glad there's a breeze though. It's toasty.
Yeah, true.
Oh, nice. Got the big boat going out. Good timing. Let's go. Oh, beautiful light pointing this way on these boats. That was a good angle. It's a good spot. Yeah, this is a nice area. Whoa, more like breakdance hazard. Onward. Okay, I moved up the road, or kind of just across a parking lot. And this is an interesting spot. Got our van here with a hat on the dashboard with the sailboats in the background. That's so interesting. Wow. Fun. Just a random find. I like it. Explorer. Explorer made vans? This is an Explorer van? So we'll go back a little further. And then we'll get the van on one side and the boat on the other. Interesting. Much fun. Okay. With fixed focal length lenses, they say you zoom with your feet. And it's hard to get a feeling of what that's like unless you actually do shoot with one of these, because if I had my 16 to 35, for example, which I shoot with a lot, in this situation, I would be pushing in and out, not necessarily moving backwards or forwards with my feet. What that can result in is, you know, shots from different focal lengths. But with the 50 millimeter, because I'm forced to zoom with my feet, I keep that beautiful 50 millimeter look. Still don't like it. Would be a very easy place to traverse. It's a nice place for snakes. Yeah, I'd rather not get bitten by a, as my dad would always say, rattle moccasin. That might not be something that's easily understandable if you're not from South Carolina. This is a really cool angle. I don't know if it has a strong enough subject or what the subject exactly is other than the environment, but it's a nice view. Look at that. Lovely. I'm having a fun. Are you having a fun? Look at this right here. Yeah. Beautiful repetition. Fun. All right. Nice view of all the boats. Is that a bone? It's a bone. It's like a doggy area. I guess that makes sense. Makes that a little bit less disturbing. This is like a boat repair area over here. I'm just seeing if there's anything interesting, and or if there's anything interesting over here. The boathouse. I guess you don't really need to get creative with a boat, with the name of a boathouse. That is the biggest forklift I've ever seen in my life. Oh my gosh. Shit. Wow. That is massive. Look at that. Wow. Cool. Interesting architecture. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I gotta say, this 50mm has the potential of becoming my new favorite lens. It's fantastic. Do you have a new or old favorite lens that is fantastic? Comment below. Okay, love you guys. Bye.